right, so we're going to try to make this as short and sweet as possible. We're going to be going into the basics of creating stickers for your Telegram channel or group that you are associated with. Super easy. The main thing is going into your Telegram channel, or sorry, your Telegram program. I'll share the screen here. So go into your Telegram program. So you'll go, type in stickers at the top here, go to stickers. The bot will start. So you can click start. It will give you your options. So to start with, you want to go to /new pack. So you'll be creating a new pack, /new pack, new pack. Hit new pack, and then you will choose a name for your pack. So new pack. And then from there, you want to upload so it gives you your dimensions for what is accepted from the bot for when you upload your photo. So if you have Photoshop, you can go to your Photoshop, create a new file. It said 512 by 512. So I'm going to do 512 by 512 pixels, right? So, okay. And then you can add in whatever picture you want, do your magnet tool, take with the backgrounds. It looks a lot better without a background. So once you have your image completed here and you remove the background, you don't have to, but it looks better. You then save it. So you go to File, Save As, and you want to save it as a PNG format. So once you have it saved as a PNG format, you can then go back to your stickers, which is this channel here. Get out of that. And you just attach the file. So you go to attach, you attach your PNG file. And then from there, once it's attached, I'll just add one in here for the heck of it. So we'll say Crypto Sherlock. All right, so this is my PNG file. You want to unclick the compressed images because it does not accept compressed images. So once you unclick that, you can add a caption if you want. Then you go to send. It's sending it to the bot. Thanks. Now send me an emoji that corresponds to your sticker. So then you go to your emojis, just choose whatever one you want. It's mostly just associating it with an emoji. So when you click on the sticker in the chat, it'll come up as whatever emoji. So we'll go with the little angel. So I'm going to click send. And then boom, congratulations, sticker in the pack one. To add another sticker, send me another sticker, PNG or WebP file. So for now, I'm going to go to publish. I'm going to publish my pack. So you can set an icon. You can do that if you like to. You don't have to. So I go to skip that. You can provide, this is where you provide your name. So when people go to look up your sticker pack, this is what it'll come up as. So we're going to go Crypto Sherlock. Boom. Kaboom. I've just published your first sticker pack, and here's your link. So you can click on your link, and there's my first sticker. You're able to share that with any group that this is your sticker pack. So that's how to create a sticker. I will make another video on how to add stickers as well. Pretty much you just go, I'll do it right now. So go to /add sticker. So if you want to add another sticker, you can then go to the sticker pack that you created once you clicked add sticker right there. And you just follow the same steps again. It's pretty easy. I'll go into the other options in different videos. But if this was helpful, like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. Cheers.